Hi. So we have to do part C now. We left at part B in the previous clip. In part C, they're asking us to show that P never returns to O. And in order to do this, to show that P never returns to O, we have to show that S never equals 0. How do we do that? From part B, we know that S equals t cubed minus 8t squared plus 20t. We're simply going to equate this to 0. So we're going to write it down as t cubed minus 8t squared plus 20t equals 0. Now we can see that t is common in all of those terms. We can factorize that by writing t times t squared minus 8t plus 20 equals 0. Each term equals 0, so we know that t equals 0. So we got one solution here. And that solution is that t equals 0. So we know that s equals 0 when t equals 0. And this is what is given here also. And we know that in the beginning, when it starts, p is at the origin. So this is fine. But we have to make sure that p never equals 0 after that. So it never returns to 0. So let's do this. T squared minus 8t plus 20 equals 0. Now to solve this, what I'm going to use the quadratic formula. For that, a equals 1, b equals negative 8, and c equals 20. And the next step is to say that d equals b squared minus 4ac. B squared is negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 20. And when I solve this, I get d as negative 16. Now, from here, what we can see is that d is actually less than 0. And whenever d is less than 0, t is undefined. We cannot define t. And why? Because if you know the full quadratic formula, you can say that t equals negative b plus minus the root of d over 2a. And we cannot take the root of d. Why? Because d is less than 0, which means that t is undefined. And this confirms that p never returns to O. So since t is undefined, p never returns to O. Thank you.